I decided to study a sports degree at the University of Aberdeen because I was already familiar with a lot of the facilities at Aberdeen, which is the sports village and other areas around that have sports like the Bouchard Centre. I was really excited to actually study here. When I came for an open day, the university looked really interesting, and it felt like somewhere that I wanted to spend the next 4 years. The highlight of my degree and studying at the University of Aberdeen was working with student athletes and student sport. Throughout my third and fourth year, I worked with the athletics club and I provided them strength and conditioning as well as alongside my degree. This was really great to gain experience and work with student athletes. The teaching staff were really supportive, especially at the end of my degree, near the end, working with my dissertation supervisor and a lot more of the lecturers. You get to know them a little bit more. They were really supportive. Any questions that I had, they were there. With my degree, I got a lot of networking opportunities. I was able to work during my degree with the sports village, and I was able to use their facilities and coach athletes throughout my time. The facilities at the sports village are great. They've got loads of space and indoor track. They've got multiple gym facilities, as well as lots of open space outside. This has been great for me being a coach and helping other students. The facilities as well with the university are great, especially up at Foresterhill, where a lot of the sports science lectures are. There's great facilities there where we've done experiments as well with wall bikes and a lot of the different acclimatization chamber. My advice to any future student coming to the University of Aberdeen would be to take every opportunity that is available. If there's a placement, if you want to do something, speak to the lecturers, speak to your school, and most likely can happen. There's a lot of opportunity here at the University of Aberdeen, and yeah, just go for it.